Hello, New School Beyblade here. Today I'm doing another unboxing of Vex Lucius L6. No, I finally got this guy in. D86 and TSP10. I got two of these, of course. So I'm opening this one now for competitive use. I looked for the other one with the demise. I looked for this one and the other one, single packs, but not in stock or we couldn't find them. I actually asked when the guy was looking in the back too. So yay. It actually works. That's good. New frame. Actually pretty cool. Wish they added the rubber case. No metal. Here's the code. Really can't wait to test this out. Decent slopes, not that good though. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.